Do you ever find yourself doing everything right in life, but nothing ever seems to be moving? You work, you wait, you hope, and yet nothing changes. This story is for anyone who feels tired of waiting. Tao was a gardener in a small village, not famous, not rich, just steady. Each year he would plant seeds in a spot behind his house. He watered them every morning. He weeded carefully by hand. However, this year, the soil did not speak. No green shoots, no signs of life. Tao was standing every evening in his garden, staring at the ground. Silence was more difficult to handle than failure. After a week, Tao knelt down and dug up one seed. It was there, safe, unbroken. Relief washed over him. He dug the next day too, then again. Soon, checking on the seeds was also added to his tasks. Each time the soil loosened. Each time it appeared to be less solid ground. So, one afternoon, an old monk happened to be passing by and witnessed this sight. "You work very hard," said the monk. "I do," Tao answered, "but nothing grows." The monk surveyed the disarranged soil. "Tell me," he asked, "how often do you pull a child from sleep to see if he has grown?" Tao did not answer. After careful consideration of the entire situation. That evening, Tao recalled a painful memory. Years back, he left his village to progress quickly. Every step of his life was rushed. While in his haste, he lost people he loved. He whispered to himself, "I am doing the same thing again." The next day, he planted seeds. This time, he did not dig. He didn't check. There was no interference. He worked. Then he stepped back. Several weeks passed by, and little green shoots emerged. Tao smiled, not with excitement, but with understanding. The seeds had always been growing. His impatience had caused all the trouble. In life, we act like Tao. We embark on something new, healing, learning, adaptation. Then we check. Why am I not better yet? Why has nothing changed? There is growth, but it is underneath. They also might do their part, then allow time to do its work. Patience is not waiting. Patience is trusting. If you like this story, please stay with us for more soul-stirring stories. Thank you.